Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to take a look at some rounds and bars I picked up locally by using an app called OfferUp. Alright, so let's take a look. So the first thing I got was a couple bars. So these are just some generic bars. Liberty 999 fine silver. Pretty cool, looks good. Nothing wrong with that. And then we have a Sunshine Mint bar. These are classics. Everybody should be familiar with these. It looks like it's got the security code button on the back there. I do not have a decoder, but that's fine. It's the generic bar. And here's a pretty cool one that was part of the setup. A Britannia, a 2017. And these are pretty cool. I've been starting to collect these as well. So getting a 2017 into my collection is nothing short of cool. Britannia does require a visit to the coin cam. This is a beautiful coin. Look at that. Well, I mean, it's so shiny, it's hard for the camera to even pick it up. That really mirrored finish on there. And then we can take a look at the queen there. I know people like the different versions of the queen. It's probably not one of the better ones. Pretty nice, huh? Great looking coin. So let's go back, see what else I got. So let me put these on the screen here. I got the two bars. We'll put those over here. The Britannia. Also got just a generic round. It's a copy of the Morgan, but it's definitely not a Morgan. 1 troy ounce, 999. Very, very shiny. Nice. Also got one of these. Look at these. I've seen these before with the owl on them. They probably have a name. I'm just not sure what it is. So, very nice though. Nice generic piece of silver. 2017. It actually says $2 on it. So from New, N-I-U-E, not sure how you say that. So this would actually be a coin. 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. Pretty cool. Let's put that one there. And this is a copy of the gold coin from a long time ago. It's got the inverse. But again, it's just generic bullion. But the Golden State Mint. And down here at the bottom, 1 troy ounce. Let's put this on the coin cam. It's a pretty cool looking one. I like this one. I like the inverse on it. So, see there at the bottom, 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. If I flip it over, got the Indian head, 1929. So that's pretty cool. And the last thing I picked up, boy, this light isn't doing these coins much justice, is it? Is a 2017 Maple Leaf. This has a Maple Leaf privy on it, so I don't think it's anything special. But let's take a look at it. It's worthy of a quick little visit here. Yep, looks good. Nice Maple Leaf. No spotting on it yet that I can see. So very nice. So I got myself 7 ounces of silver here, and I paid 15 bucks a piece for them. So I paid $105 for these 7. So I thought that was a fantastic deal, especially with the Maple Leaf and the Britannia mixed in there. And so one of the things I do, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but when I pick them up locally, you know, it's always a little shaky on, you know, whether or not they're real. They can certainly be fake. So a couple things I do to verify is, number one, I weigh them. So I sit in the restaurant or wherever we meet with a scale like this, turn it on. It's kind of hard to see here. Set it for ounce troy ounces, and I weigh them. And so that's 1.00. Can we see that? Let me. Here you can see it like that. 1.00. Probably expect that on the maple leaf. Let's take some of this generic stuff. What's that way? 1.01. Here's another one. Let's put that on there. 1.01. So that's what I do. I sit inside the restaurant where I meet the person and I weigh every one of them. Now the bars with the plastic on, wasn't going to be able to weigh those successfully, and then what I do from there is I take one of these rare earth magnets, these tiny little things. You really need to be careful with these things. These things are really powerful. And I put it on there and make sure that it runs down slowly. If it's real, that's what it should do. It should not stick to it, and it should not slide down it really fast. It should go slow. So let's pick another one here. This is the poor man's version of a CCT slide, right? That's all we're doing. We're putting it down the slide, except the magnet's a slide. We're kind of doing it the opposite. So I'll even do this with American Silver Eagles if I'm buying them locally. I'll weigh everyone, and I'll do this. So as you can see here, they're all passing the test. So that's what I do, is I sit there and I make them watch me weigh everyone and run the magnet on them. Now again, you have to be careful with these magnets. They're very strong. You see when I get one even close to it. So I mean, one of these, can be pretty powerful. You want to keep it away from your electronics and everything else. So be very careful using these rare earth magnets. So let's put this all back together again. 5, 6, 7 ounces of 999 silver for $105. Pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy with it. I want to keep using those local apps. Again, you don't always get a great deal on them. You have to, you just have to keep searching and looking. But this guy started out, said he wanted $140, and I said, $20 an ounce is just too much right now to pay. And we eventually worked a deal. So he was happy, I was happy, and met him in a public place, and everything worked out. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do that as well. I'd really appreciate it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.